guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 5.
Look how cute. Hi. You look so cuddly and cozy. So, I am just now eating my breakfast. It is 3 p.m. and today is Vlogmas Day 5. The reason why it is 3 p.m. is because I'm kind of slacking and I'm still editing my Vlogmas Day 4 and I have to get it up at 6 p.m. and I'm really worried that I'm like not starting to slack, but like I'm pushing things back too far. Like it's taking me too long. But this Vlogmas is literally like 35 minutes long as of right now, and I'm trying to cut it down. Personally, I would watch, if this was a YouTuber that I really liked, I would watch a 35-minute vlog. But I don't know how many people would want to do that, but personally, I think the vlog is really entertaining, but I'm still trying to cut it down just a little bit more before I upload it and get it out of the way before I actually start like fully doing things today. As of right now, I'm just eating avocado toast. I went and took a little break to make this, and hopefully I'll be done editing this video so I can get it up for you guys on time.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. So
I'm Lamia's friend.
This is Marianne.
Hi.
I'll have her social media linked down below. I actually met her through YouTube. Fun fact.
I figured out that she lived like literally right down my road.
Yeah, I know.
I messaged her and was like, hey girl, why are you laughing?
Now we're BFFs.
Not creepy at all.
Why is that? I found out she lived like right down the street. I came to her house and knocked on her window.
Knocked
I'm
on
just
her
kidding.
door. Yeah, like the tropical smoothie she went to was literally right by my house.
And I always post pics of like, or not pics, but videos of the mall and stuff, so.
I suck at holding a camera, sorry if this gives you a headache.
No, you're doing great. I look a little bit disgusting, but it's okay.
Same, I feel like I look really weird on camera.
No, you don't. You look so pretty.
We don't know what we're gonna do after the vlog, so.
And I haven't updated it since like, I think like 1 p.m. It's 5:42 p.m. right now. And I'm still saving it. It's been exporting for like probably an hour and a half now. And it's almost 6 o'clock and that's my regular upload schedule. So it's probably gonna be late. I have no footage from today yet, but we're gonna do it.
I watch your Vlogmas, so
yes.
This is cool. I get the behind the scenes.
You get to watch yourself in the Vlogmas stuff.
I know, I'm gonna get to watch myself. That's funny. I'll probably be at work, because I always watch your Vlogmas while I'm at work.
Don't do that. You might ruin your lipstick.
Do show. How does it look? Let me see. I think it looks pretty good, but like, I probably wouldn't overline that much.
It's barely over any.
I used to overline though. I mean, I still do kind of, but not as much.
Over.
Really?
I mean, you can see the separation a little bit. It looks good though. I like the lip color. Which one is that?
I don't know. What did you use? I like it.
I use Dolce K Candy K One Lip Liner and...
Oh my god.
Oh! Which I did a ton!
Wait, hold on. I'm so zoomed in. Oh my god. You started like at her chin. But my video is finally uploading, and while I'm trying to get my video up, this is what's happening in my beauty room. Little mini photo shoot going on in here. This is like deja vu. I feel like we did this yesterday.
Oh, that's so cute.
Guys, this was not planned.
What? Let me see. Oh my god. You have to post one of these.
What I really want to wear?
What?
Your dress, that really cool dress that you have.
Really
it's not
cool.
cheetah print, snake print. No, is that the
the long sleeve one? Yeah.
No, there's another one you tried on in like a boohoo haul.
Is it the longer one or the short one?
3, 2.
I don't know.
I have a snake print one that's like a midi dress, and it like comes to like here.
Which one would look better?
I know, both. Both probably. I kind of like the longer one better.
Pick out my outfit. Just for a picture.
Do you think we have the power to like simultaneously say, hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 5?
Yeah, let's do it.
We're about to film our, what is it? Intro. This is behind the scenes. What are we saying? Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. That's
hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lamia, Dagher, if you don't know who I am, and you're watching Vlogmas Day 5.
And you're watching
So for today's
Disney
video,
Channel.
I'm doing, I don't know yet.
Guys, Lamia got a handwritten note from Kylie Jenner.
I literally said that in my vlog too.
You did?
Yeah, that's so funny. I was like, and look how nice. She literally wrote me a handwritten note. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hi guys. Hello, Blaine Dillard. 1, 2, 3. Hi guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. 1, 2, 3. Hi guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5.
I said welcome back.
Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. Hi guys, welcome. I say, hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 5.
Okay, welcome to
Welcome to walking.
Welcome to Walmart. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5.
Day 5. Okay, ready? Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. Yeah! We did it. Love that for us.
I need to get my eyebrows professionally done. Like, I usually don't, but like I just do it every once in a while.
Yeah. She's wearing my boohoo dress. Isn't it cute? It looks so good on her.
Thanks.
Just gonna post pics in it. Did you take pics? Yeah, you did.
She did.
M&M's. I love me an M&M's.
So we're finally leaving the house. Perry is at Cheddar's, so we're gonna go eat there. That's where I ate in my Vlogmas
Do you hear
Day
the vlog?
1.
Come on, let's go.
Are we ready? Can you close that bathroom door?
Yeah.
Can you check if my hair straightener's off? Sorry.
Someone's leaving their phone.
Probably me.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, oh, get a cord.
I look like Kris Jenner. Kris Jenner. Thank you, next bitch.
I love that part. It caught me so off guard.
Thank you, next bitch.
Bye, Ty. I love you.
Yeah, I needed this job. We're going to Cheddar's.
Yes.
Eat dinner.
I love Cheddar's.
Yeah, you already explained what Cheddar's was, right? It was in your vlog.
Yeah,
He crashed into our car. Hi guys.
we just got to Cheddar's. Blaine already ran inside. I guess Perry did.
Can you
too.
even see? I don't even know what you're seeing. Can't do this.
You probably saw.
Anyway, we just got here. There's someone staring.
Hi, Perry.
Why? I mean, we're not talking like J size, but we're talking some like decent size.
Wait, which ones?
The veggie plate. Remember our
Everything
stories?
here is ginormous.
Their queso is really good.
They give you like the Monte Cristo. It's like 4
It's like 2 sandwiches, basically.
Yeah, and like 2 halves, like 2
Honey,
pairs of halves.
your strawberry lemonade's coming out.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
You're getting the Monte thing.
I don't know because I had it the other day. It's so good, but it's so
I come
filling.
here
I don't
like
know
once
if I'm
every
gonna
6
do it.
months, so I have to do it.
I think I still have the leftover in my fridge, to be honest. If you like it's like deep fried, right?
It's
the
like
breading.
carnival
It
food.
honestly tastes like
It's like fancy carnival food.
What is the thing called?
I thought you said carnivore.
The things at the carnivals with the powdered sugar. It's
Funnel
like a
cake?
funnel cake on the
I'm
inside.
in the mood for something like heavy.
Yeah, it's really heavy. I'm just gonna get a chicken tender platter because you inspired me. And we were talking about chicken tenders yesterday, and like I didn't get them yesterday.
That
so
veggie
I think
burger was
today's
not as good as
today.
remembered.
It was pretty good, but I was full.
Why is there raspberry preserves in it? If it's
It's on the side.
that definitely tastes really good though. The raspberries.
You can have mine. It comes on the side.
What am I gonna do?
Are you getting it?
Lick it. What? Yeah, I always get it.
See, problem is I would say you could have some of Blaine's to try it, but he'll eat the whole thing.
Yeah, I don't share food.
He's like, if you watched Friends, you would know, but like Joey's like,
I hate
Joey
Friends.
doesn't share food.
I tried watching it. I like watched like the first 2
It's
episodes.
non-HD.
It's not in
Eyebrows
HD.
are so good.
Oh, thank you. It's like, well, one of them is like way bigger than the other, and like one is like way up higher, and I can see it. It's not already.
Oh, you said this when we were at Cheesecake Factory. We had this discussion.
You know it, but you just know it, Blaine.
Why? Because my voice goes up.
You look so pretty.
Oh my god, Blaine.
I love a picture of you.
Don't you think this is such a good picture of her?
That's dead ass the one that's following us.
Doesn't she look so chocolate?
It's a great photo.
That is a great photo.
Everyone, why is your Instagram like this? Look at her Instagram.
It's the new update.
There's an update.
Look at my account. Go on my account and show it.
The Abby's on the
It's terrible or good.
It's just pretty black.
But that's so hard.
I don't know.
What is it?
Chicken tenders sounds good. Anything
Oh,
with cheese
listen, I had
tenders.
the chicken tenders, and it's like made from scratch, like the crust and everything.
It's already like halfway demolished, but this is so good.
Wait. Can I do a quick ASMR?
Yeah.
Oh god, I'm uncomfortable.
We need a good chip crunch. I'm gonna zoom in.
You need to push it in like a...
I look like I'm in my feelings. This should be like an album cover.
That got demolished really quickly. I just got served my mountain. I don't know who's gonna eat all of this, but like, we'll try.
She's really right.
Blaine got the Monte Cristo. What did you get? The Philly cheese steak thing? Same with Perry.
Video of me and Blaine.
Oh my gosh, yeah, you guys are teddy bears. That jacket looks so cute on you.
So I efficiently left dinner without eating anything, pretty much.
Wait, we didn't tell them that the Philly cheese sandwich was the best.
Okay, well,
Philly cheese sandwich. Can we discuss this in the
First of all, what I wanted was a salad. Then they were like, no, don't get that here. It's going to be crusty as hell. So then I was like, fine.
Crusty as hell.
Let me tell you, it was slop.
No, and like, honestly, I don't really
I didn't
like
have
say anything ever, but like, it was pretty bad.
It was really...
Hi vlog.
Hi.
It's a couple hours later now. What time is it? It's like 10:20. Oh my god, it's my birthday. Not really. My birthday like is 10:20
Oh my god, I'm so
technically.
stupid. I thought it was like midnight and changed to the next day for something, and you were like,
Can you
"It's your
imagine? I
birthday."
just didn't tell you.
I was like, what?
No, but we went to Cheddar's. I'm like sickly full.
Me too. Honestly, I wasn't that
Impressed.
Yeah.
Yeah, the food wasn't as good today. The Monte Cristo is usually pretty good. I didn't have it today though because you have to be like really hungry to get it.
For sure. I mean, I've never had it before, but I got it today and I see where she's coming from. Like, you have to be starving.
Yeah.
To get that.
And like I'll eat 2 of them, but like I can't think about it. Like I have to just like eat them really fast and
It's
then like
very
it
heavy.
all
Like,
hits
thinking
me at
about it
once.
right now, I'm like, ugh.
Yeah, it's a lot. I don't know how much footage I got of today because I started pretty late. I'm already like not getting behind on my Vlogmas, but I'm like starting to leave it till like the day it needs to be posted to be edited. So that's why today's vlog was really late, but I'm gonna try and edit this one tonight. Hopefully I have like pretty good footage. I think we got some good stuff though. It's probably more laid back than my past few though. Oh, you still haven't seen my last vlog.
The one you just posted?
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
It's a
probably
lot.
watch it at work tomorrow because I'll be bored.
It's like a movie. If you haven't
Yeah.
watched that yet, guys.
I love long
you should go
vlogs
watch it.
though. Like,
I know, I do too. And I asked in my Vlogmas if people want longer
Yeah.
or shorter. And they said long.
long because it's like you see it and you're just like, okay, I can like lay in bed
Yeah,
and, like, eat,
it's like a
or,
show.
Yeah, exactly, it's like a show.
And it's more like real than a show, so it's
Yeah.
more relatable.
Exactly. We've been watching YouTube videos like,
Yeah.
when we got home.
She's showing me Kennedy Walsh. I've never watched her before.
She's so
but
funny.
she showed me the McKnight twins. I think I said that in yesterday's vlog. And I loved them from her
Yeah.
showing me, so now I'm just like, show me everybody. I'm actually gonna read off whose Vlogmas I'm watching.
Okay, I'll do
Because I
that.
have them in my
I need
notes.
to button this. Oh, okay, or unbutton this.
Brief intermission, hold on. We're both gonna read you guys whose Vlogmas we're watching this year. I'm watching SAMM PINKOFF, my friend Sam. I'll link these down below too if I have time. I'm gonna try to because there's not that many. My friend Sam. I'm watching lifewithevettexo, Nazanin Kavari, McKnight twins, Karlee Steel, Rara Knupps, who's Rochelle, and Daisy Marquez. And mine, because I have to edit them.
Yeah. I'm watching Karlee Steel, Lamia's, of course, Nazanin Kavari, my friends Mike and Jess.
You'll have to send me their channel. I'll put it down below too.
Mike and Jess, yeah. Oh, the McKnight twins, of course.
Yeah.
And I think that's it, honestly. I mean, the Ace family, I watch them.
Yeah. Are they? They're doing Vlogmas every day?
No, but they post like every day anyway, so it's
They
basically
did
like
every day
Vlogmas.
last year, right? I think so.
I don't think I like really watched them around this time of year last year.
This is when I was like really watching them and trying to get a post notification shout out.
Really?
Yeah, and then they were doing like the, I think they had like $100 giveaway every single day during Vlogmas. Like for
Really?
like the post notification shout out, and
Shout out.
I ended up getting a post notification shout out like the first week of January.
Oh my gosh.
I
wow.
know.
I mean, at least you got one. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I was still excited. I didn't really care for the money. I hope you guys did enjoy today's vlog.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and her socials are going to be linked down below in the description, by the way, as well as everybody else that was in today's vlog. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for watching again, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.
Bye.